So I got this Nokia 7 Plus the day before yesterday, and really like the phone. It's stock Android, and Android One, updates directly from Google, etc. So I really like the concept. And I've had Nokia before, and I kind of like them. But then I noticed when I was going by car, I could barely read the screen. So here on the left you have the Nokia 7 Plus, and on the right you have the Nexus 6P that I had before. So it turned out that it's the screen that isn't that bright. And that shouldn't be, because it's a new phone. The screen should be really good. So I started messing it, and I noticed that the brightness won't go above 40%, whereas the Nexus gets really bright, almost blinds you in a dim room. So here you can see in the screen brightness, it's adaptive, so I'll turn that off. And you notice that when I get above 40%, nothing happens. And it should. So this is the way it should be. So this is all the way down. You slide it up, and it gets brighter and brighter. This should be comparable. This is a new screen. This should be really bright, but it isn't.